Holy crap, I just got home driving in from Denver. It turned into from heavy rain to hail. Luckily I got under the parking cover at this moment. But wow, look at this shit come down. This is at my apartment at 28th and Calmia in Boulder. Wowzers. I don't think that my umbrella is going to be enough for that. So I'm going to wait. Holy cow. Serious drainage to be done here. I'd say it's good for fire danger. I hope this is hitting in the mountains, although it looks pretty localized. There's someone using their umbrella quickly and their flip-flops.